Hey guys, my orchard videos. Well, finally got a couple estimates here on my animal fencing project I'm doing around the main farm here, and it's really disappointing and expensive, a little more than I expected. But anyway, here's an estimate from a guy that I'm not going to give you all the mumbo jumbo they said, but anyways, just to give you a little food for thought. Anyways, it says to install the fence with using 12-foot posts. It works out to be things like 2,200 linear feet around the property. So basically, you can do the math how many posts that is at 20 foot apart. So anyways, I guess for that it's these are 12-foot posts, anywhere from 4 to 5 inch. Sounds a bit crazy, but anyways, pressure treated. His labor, transport, and equipment is going to cost me $18,600 just for that. To supply gates, posts, wire, rails, hardware, and above for the above project, it's going to cost $14,029.84. So grand total for that, for this little project, would cost me $32,629 to do that project. So that's kind of interesting. I mean, obviously I'm in the wrong business. And the guy drives a brand new Dodge truck, so right now it's probably not the best time to do this, because the way, like all of this stuff, like I know the wire and stuff comes from China and so forth, so they're probably finding wire where they can find it and marking it up like 500 or 600%. So that's just one of those things, right? Anyways, I'll show you another estimate here. Anyways, it's another rental center. It's a rental center here in Oliver, where I live here. It's called Oliver Rental Center. Anyways, they rent out equipment and so forth, and they also do post pounding and wildlife fencing. So they quoted me $14,600 to do the deer fencing, which is what comes in about half of what the other guy does. So I'd still outside my budget. So anyways, I asked him what it would cost for him to just come in and do the labor. This is gonna blow your mind. So just to come in and do the labor to install the fence, 22,250 feet on the property. Like I said, it's only a 6-acre orchard. He's going to charge me $7,245 for labor. Here again, I'm in the wrong business because, for 2 days work, I've never made that kind of money for 2 days work. So maybe not even. So what we're going to do is I'm going to buy all the materials, buy the posts, the wire, all the hardware this year, and basically have to clean up around here. I have a bunch of cleaning up I need to do to prep the site for. I have to, take trees and cut them down. Not cut them down, but because some of the peaches are growing, with 3 branches, I had to cut one branch out, so I have room to put the fence, and maybe get a couple tools to help me make lines perfect. Maybe do a little research on YouTube and see what's out there to help me make these lines perfect. Put this fence in. So the estimates I got to do the projects, they're way too expensive, and I know how to run an excavator, and we'll just do the project yourself and hire a couple of people, and I'm still gonna be well below the price of this installation rate here. So I mean, materials cost a little bit. I think I don't know, 2,200 feet. We'll just measurement here on the posts. And I'm probably gonna be using 3-inch posts, 3 by 10s, which will give me 3 foot in the ground, which is perfect. 2 feet is not enough, just because you know, it's nice to have 3 foot of post in the ground. So we'll do this. I'm using my phone here. Okay, so we're going to do 2,050 feet divided by 20 equals. So I need about 112 posts. So we're going to use 3-inch, mostly 3-inch posts by 10 foot long. So we need 112 posts. So on the corners of these posts, we're going to have to use the H system. So we'll have to elaborate more on that when we get there. I may do like a little demonstration video, but I don't know how you would. I don't have enough material here, of stuff to show you, but use this system, especially like this H system post. The post right here on the corners. So I probably have to add a few extra posts in there. And I have some posts that I can use in this project here too for these end pieces, so I don't have to buy extra materials. And add some wire in here. I actually have all the wires, so I don't have to buy that. To make the strength in these posts in here, they go from corner to corner in wire, make them extra strong. So anyway, all in all, we're gonna have to do this on our own, and it's gonna give me a learning process. The only drawback I have is dealing with family on the other side of the property, because I mentioned already in my other video that my family member is a bit of a cocksucker, and it's gonna be tough on that side of the property because he waters and waters and waters and waters like crazy. So that's gonna be a battle there, I think, for forever, because just the way he is. And he'll never listen, and he'll try to do whatever he can to make this project go as tough as possible. Because, like I said, he's an asshole. So anyways, we'll just go through that. And building gates and so forth, we're going to do it as best we can. Probably use the end post, will be a thicker post. Try to go with a 5-inch post, or probably a 4-inch post, I guess, on the gate ends. And we'll put one big gate in. You want to put double gates, but I'm going to go one big gate. makes more sense to me. It's cheaper, less hardware and everything. So anyways, that's what we're going to do. But we'll see. Might input double gates. We'll see. So as long as I have enough room so I can move a trailer out of it and a dump truck or whatever the case is. Probably a little bit narrower fence gate, I mean. So we'll go from there when the time comes. So anyways, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on the fencing project. Alright, remember to always get second, third, fourth opinions on projects, because you never know, you might have to end up doing the project yourself or hire someone else to do it for a way better price. Anyways, thanks for watching, and bye for now.